What's your name?
My name is Ganeshwaram Kadrichevu.
How old are you?
45.
45 years. Are you married, Kadrichevu?
Yeah. Yes.
Married. Do you have kids?
Yeah, 3 kids.
3. Girls or boys?
2 girls, 1 boy.
How old are they?
Big one is 16. Second one 13, and last one is 10.
10. Tell me something about your work experience as a tutor.
Yeah, I am working in Sri Lanka. Yeah, 5 years I am working. It's the gloves, you know. Gloves and industry.
Gloves.
Yeah.
Is it a knitting factory or jockey machine?
This is jewelry.
Gloves. Only gloves.
Only gloves.
So previously you have worked for Voice of America.
Yeah, the first time I am working. Yeah, supervising.
What kind of supervising?
Just labors.
Cleaning.
Yeah, cleaning labors.
Cleaning labors.
Cleaning labors.
Cleaning supervising. From 2006 to 2016, you were working as a manager for Dumi.
That's first time I go to supervisor, and second time work in the shipping post company.
Then now you are working as a technician.
Sure, now I am working in Direct TV.
Direct TV.
Now I am working in Singapore. I am agent in Direct TV.
Altogether 5 years experience as a jockey machine. So are you okay with the jockey machine operator job now?
Yeah.
You have changed your job?
No, doesn't know. I have a lot of experience.
Why did you choose Romania?
It's a good country and a good salary.
Okay. Do you have friends there?
No, no friends.
No friends.
Oh.
We have 4 mathematical questions now. Answer the questions for me.
Six. Oh no, sorry. 10.
No, 5. You need a pen.
No, sorry. Not 11. 21.
Correct. Have you done the practical test?
Yeah, I'm done.
You have.